All right, well, strong winds across the DMV causing a lot of damage, and thousands of people are still without power right now.
Yes, this wind was so powerful. DC News Now's Yamari Sase, she's live in Southeast with more. Yamari, what are you seeing right now?
Still pretty windy out here this morning, but winds are not as strong as what we saw yesterday. Take a look at this outdoor seating area at La Placita restaurant. You can see this part, the leg is completely broken, other parts fallen over, and this is just one of several other tents of their outdoor seating area. That's how strong the winds were just yesterday. Now, actually, right now in Northern Virginia, according to Dominion Energy, nearly 100 outages are affecting several thousand customers, and in Maryland, there are currently 166 outages affecting more than 1,600 customers. That's definitely a significant drop compared to what we saw yesterday from both of these companies as crews were working to repair these outages. Now, high winds also caused the Chesapeake Bay Bridge to close for some time, but it did reopen under wind restrictions. And in Montgomery County, large trees fell, wires were down, and roads were closed. Now, if you do encounter any down power lines, it can be deadly, and it's best to avoid the area if you can and contact 911. Now, a lot of damage was taking place across the DMV. Again, if you are currently dealing with any power outages, you are encouraged to report them as well. We're going to continue to cover the damages and the impact that these high winds did cause across the DMV. For now, reporting in Southeast DC, I'm Yamari Sase, DC News Now.
That's heartbreaking to see, especially for those local businesses.
Definitely.
All right, Yamari, thank you.